Hello, Nate Mullen, aka the Illuminator here. For all of you that have purchased the Expander 1 or 2, or for those of you you're going to, I want to share a few tips with you on how this fixture was designed to make your install and lighting portrait perfect. So, this is our conventional, right? Stake as you're going to buy it, right? Comes like this, comes with a stake, comes with 30 feet of wire, and of course, it's a wall washer. Now, when you take the stake off, okay, via the M1 attachment system, and you put it onto, right, a gutter bracket. So this would be your gutter brackets like this. And you can see that if I have my rake on my roof light, right, just exactly like this, you're gonna see that I might get some light leakage right here under the roof tile. So what we've done is we've designed this shroud where you can take the shroud off and you can rotate the shroud. So now when you see that this angle is matching the roof tile, I have trapped and I have knocked off a lot of the incident light here versus how the shroud would be in an up position. So you'll want to reverse the shroud in the hex louver just like this. Make sure this angle is no less than the rake of the roof. So you would never want to do it like this. You always want to put it up like this. The other thing I want to point out is this expander is really made, you can do two things. Now we give you a supplied 60-degree LED, so you can, that's what a wall washer should do. You want to get vastness, not so much depth out of it. But there are little tiny holes in here that are pre-threaded that we have a bracket that you could change it to a T3. All right? Now, that would be for an area that you want to just barely emit a little light. But the other thing that we do, so you don't even have to convert it to a T3, is we give you a frosted lens, which is included in every one of our fixtures. So when you have a frosted lens over a 60 degree, it diminishes that light, and then you don't have a lot of light leakage and you don't have a lot of overpowering light, and this is more of a subtle fixture. Okay? So the other tip I want to get with you is I want to make sure that you understand that this knuckle is removable. So I can unscrew the knuckle, and then I can take this, and when I'm going onto a ledge, like a fireplace mantle on the outside, I have pre-set holes in here that you're gonna drill out, and I can set this now on, right, straight up. I can set it on a kick on an angle like this. I can do this. I can set it under some type of a ridge, under some type of like on a house, on their wainscoting, under a little ridge that's coming out, so I can flush mount this fixtures. So you're gonna find this fixture is very versatile when it comes to needing rectangular light, which not only does it come out in rectangular spread, but also match the design strategy because of its rectangular shape versus a cylindrical shape like a conventional bullet light. Anyway, thanks for paying attention. Make sure you go to our YouTube channel and always visit lifetimelightingsystems.com. Here's to a brighter future.